Do you really need a roof replacement or will a repair do the job? In the next few minutes, I'll show you the key signs to look for, how to know when a repair won't cut it, and what the replacement process looks like. If it's time for the big step, I'm John Cataldi, Residential Project Manager at Equity Roofing. One of the most common questions I hear homeowners say is, do I really need a new roof or can I just patch it up? It's an important decision and it can be confusing. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what option is right for you and your home. A roof replacement means stripping your roof down to the decking, checking the structure underneath, and installing a brand new system. This includes shingles or metal panels, flashing, underlayment, ventilation, and everything needed for a full reset. It's different from a repair, which only fixes a specific area. How can you tell it's time? If your shingle roof is past 20 to 25 years, or you notice leaks, bare spots, or missing shingles, it's usually due for replacement. With metal roofs, pay attention to rusted screws or worn washers, since those signal the system is breaking down. If your roof is newer and the problem is smaller, like a few shingles knocked loose in a storm, a repair is often all you need. Timing is key. If your roof only has a few years of life left, repairs usually don't add much value. You might spend money for an extra season, but replacement ends up being the smarter, long-term move. Waiting too long risks leaks, interior damage, and higher costs later. Your roof protects your home, your family, and your investment. Ignoring serious problems can lead to water intrusion, mold, and even structural issues. Replacing it on time ensures peace of mind and keeps your home safe for decades. Every roof is different. Size, pitch, materials, and even hidden issues like rotten decking all affect the price. At Equity Roofing, we lay out the cost in detail, line by line, so you know exactly what you're paying for. No vague estimates or surprises later. You can expect a roof to cost anywhere from $12,000 all the way up to $50,000, plus depending on your home. Here's what you can expect once you decide to move forward. We'll come out and do an inspection and estimate. We get on the roof, document its condition, and review photos with you so you can see exactly what's happening. You'll choose your shingle or metal style, color, and warranty level. We bring samples and guides to help you decide. Once the contract is signed and the deposit is made, we schedule your install date, usually within a week. Shingle roofs typically take 1 to 2 days, while larger or more complex metal projects might take 3 to 4. During the job, expect some noise and some equipment to be present. We'll tarp landscaping, protect gutters and siding, and set up a safe entry point so you can still get in and out of your home. Debris is collected with dump trailers and our equipter system. We finish with multiple magnet sweeps for nails, then perform a final inspection with photos so you know the work is done right. So it all begins with an inspection request. If you're seeing signs of an aging or damaged roof, don't wait until the next storm forces your hand. Contact Equity Roofing for a zero-cost inspection, and we'll help you figure out whether a repair is enough, or if it's just time to replace your roof for good. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. My name is John Cataldi with Equity Roofing. To learn more about the difference between repairing and replacing your roof, check out our videos in the link below. Next stop, a better roof.